Hello, lovely people. Wagwan. Hi, my name is Karen and welcome to my channel. Hello, lovely people. Wagwan. Hi, my name is Karen and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing this neon look that I have going on. So if you want to see how I got this look or how I did this look, just stick around. Okay, so first we're going to start off by priming the eyes. Then we're going to take the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Caramel Cutie Sunstalker Bronzer, and we're going to go ahead and use that as a transition color on the eyelids. Then I'm going to use this color from Elizabeth Arden and put that into my crease. Next, I'm going to do a soft cut crease with a little concealer. Now I'm going to take this neon green from my Too Faced eyeshadow collection. Use the same neon green to smoke the bottom of the eyes. Here's the finished eye look. And here's my finished face. I used the Fenty Beauty foundation all over my face. Then I used the L'Oreal W7 to brighten under my eyes and my T-zone. Then added some highlighter and some lip gloss. And here's my outfit. I was just heading to a barbecue, so I just wanted to keep it cute and casual. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a blessed day.